My name is Cindy Blue, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple glowing makeup look. Just got another camera. A bit frustrating having to set it all up, so excuse me if I'm venting, but yeah, let's just woosa a bit. So anyway, as I mentioned, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple glowy makeup look whereby, you know, one of those days where you don't feel like wearing too much makeup, and this usually happens to me when I'm on my cycle. So, and maybe just, you know, look cute lazing around the house. Without any further ado, let's just start. I've already done my brows, as you can tell. I've done my brows, and now we're gonna start off by priming our eyelids, and obviously going in with the Essence Prime Like a Boss eyeshadow base. So it looks so cute. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there, a little bit. Just gonna apply a little bit just like that using my fingertips. Yeah, I believe that your hands does the most decent job of blending out products more than any other tool or brush. So next I'm going in with the She Glam Artistry palette, and I'm going to be going in with that eyeshadow shade called Summer, which is this beautiful brown right there. Now let's find us our brush. Taking this little brush right here, blending brush mostly, and I'm basically just gonna pack a little bit at a time. If there's one thing about me, I like holding my eyeshadow palettes whenever I'm doing my eyes. For some reason, that's just me, right? So once I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out those edges a bit without adding any more product. Just so it doesn't look so harsh or concentrated on one place. So I'm just basically feathering out a bit. And then once I'm done with that, what I like to do basically is go in with the shimmery shade now. The one I'm going to be going with, again, from the very same palette, is this one called a Dream. Right here. If you know one thing about me is I like using one eyeshadow palette whenever I'm doing my makeup. I don't like jumping into multiple different palettes because I feel like that can be a bit confusing. Whenever I'm buying my eyeshadow palettes, I make sure that it's got majority of the eyeshadow shades that I'm going to be using regularly. So yeah, so I make sure there's a little bit of shimmery eyeshadow shades as well as matte. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking the eyeshadow called Dream, and I'm basically just concentrating it in my inner corner. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take this very same brush that we used for our first eyeshadow, and I'm basically just kind of like blend that a bit out because it's too much in the inner corner and I don't want it to be too much. And then I'm also taking my fingers and kind of like dabbing on top of it because it's also helping me like blend it out in a way. Brushes. Of course, to open up your eyes a little bit, I'm going to be going in with the Essence eyeliner pen, and this one is in a white shade, and I'm just going to be putting it on my waterline underneath. Now I'm just going to take some mascara and basically just apply it on my lower lashes. Just applying this carefully so I don't mess up my white eyeliner, because I still want that white to be there, you know, make me look awake. As we all know, in order to have that beautiful glowy look, okay, the skin needs to be taken care of, okay, and also the products that you use, okay, come very, very handy. And of course today I'm going to be going in with the Essence Hello Good Stuff 48 Hour Intense Hydro Gel, and this one has aloe, water, and hyaluron. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this. So instead of going in with a face primer, this is what I'm going to be going in with today. Okay, just put it on. Oh, and it smells so good. Massage it in, and a little goes a long way. Okay, so you don't want to be going so too heavy-handedly with it. Apply all over your face, massage it in. Okay, let it do its thing. Just let it do its thing. Smells so good. So I just applied like 2 pumps of it, but 1 should be enough. And then once we're happy with that, I'm gonna be taking my little powder puff and I'm gonna spritz some water on it. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna be going in with a Makeup by Maria foundation, and this one is in a shade 18W. And I love this foundation so much because it is not matte. Okay, it is not matte at all, and it's gonna give us the look. Okay, everything that I'm using is for it to give us the look, the end result that we're going for, which is that glowy makeup look. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab this like so. And now I'm gonna start dabbing it all over now, blending it all everywhere, underneath those eyes, those area, Cupid's bow area, onto the chin, right to the other side, going upwards, and then back to the forehead. Don't forget close to your brows, and be careful not to smudge your brows. Okay, blend, blend, blend your hairline. As you can see, I'm using a dabbing motion. And please, thou shalt not forget your neck, okay? You don't want to be looking like you're wearing a mask. So, one thing about having a glowy makeup look is you don't want to pack too many products. Too many products equals cakiness, okay? Cakiness equals not good. Okay, unless that's a little bit you're going for. Otherwise, we don't pack too many things. All right, and then once you're done with that, if you got something to conceal, go right ahead. And of course, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is my all-time favorite, always. Okay, this is my all-time favorite. I'm gonna be going in with this, and I'm just gonna be applying just a little bit of it underneath my eyes, like so. Just a little bit, and just underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the same powder puff I used with the foundation, and I'm just gonna press that concealer in. Okay, now going quickly, just like that. Do the same on the other side. And then for the blush today, I'm going to be going in with the Velvet Skin cream blush. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Is it ciate? Or I don't know. It sounds like French to me, but I don't know. But this is what I'm going to be going in. And one thing I love about having that glowy makeup look is using a cream blush, cream, all the way. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my cheekbones. Right there, okay? And let's see, what shade is this? This one is in a shade called Cream Rouge. Just put all the names there. And then I'm going to be taking my little brush, this, and I'm just going to blend it like so. I love that the blush is not too dramatic. It is not overly dramatic. So it's just a touch. Just a touch. Next it's time for the powders. Okay, powders. And of course I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced highlighter. Okay, and just going to use this to highlight those areas that we want to pop out a little bit more. And of course the purpose of applying highlighter is to have a glow, right? Is to have that glow. So I'm just applying a little bit at a time. Okay, as I feel needed. And of course, my Cupid's bow, let's not forget that. And I'm definitely going to be highlighting the center of my nose. And a little bit on my forehead. Be highlighting a little bit on my brow bone. Just on the tail area. Okay. And for the lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC lip liner. And this one is in a shade called Coffee. This is just a way of contouring my lips, basically. And the lipstick that I'm using is Kiss Matte. Yes, Kiss Matte. And this one is in a shade called Baby. Okay. Smells good. And now, just to kind of finish things off, I'm going to be going in with the Yardley London Translucent Loose Powder. And we're just going to be using very little of this, okay? Because as I said, we ain't trying to cake on nothing, okay? So just set just like that. Oh, got some powder in my hair, but no big deal. I believe that this look would actually look good in the winter time more than the summertime, because then summertime you're gonna be sweating a lot, okay? But in winter time, less is enough. Less makeup is enough. It's good because it lasts, okay? And now to kind of like finish everything off, I'm gonna be going in with the Yardley London 3-in-1 makeup setting spray. There's a right here, and we're just gonna be setting off that makeup. Okay, and that's about it, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this simple glowy makeup look, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share. And until next time, bye bye.